All right, so we're finally back at the shop. Everything is so much better than it looked before. Everything was just so messed up before, and now it's basically perfect. Now, yeah, the hood is red, the fender is black, but those are things that I can fix. I'm probably gonna get the car either wrapped or painted, but before we get into that, there's still a lot of minor imperfections on the body, like dents and dings and scratches and stuff. Like here, the paint is all faded and messed up here. So I want to get those fixed before we get into doing any further major work to the body, which is not too hard. Fill in the dents with some Bondo, sand down the rough parts of the paint so that when we wrap it, it'll have a nice even surface to adhere to. Because if you have any imperfection in your paint, those are going to show up in the wrap. Wrap is not very forgiving, believe it or not. Sometimes you get like a flat wrap, like a satin or a flat wrap. It can hide some imperfections, but it's never going to be perfect. So let's take a quick break and let's get to doing that. All right, so we're pretty much done here. I've done the hood, we've done the bumper, off camera did the rear bumper, we filled in some of the dents and dings, and done a bunch of work here. All this bad paint that was here has been sanded off and fixed up and primered, so we're good to go. There's still a couple of parts here that I have marked I have to buff, as you can see right there, but that's in due time. I'll just get the buffer, we'll get some cream, get some rubbing compound, and clean that up. But car is pretty much done, ready to get wrapped. So I still got to find a place to wrap it. I've chosen the color, and I'm gonna wait to reveal the color until everything is done. So we're pretty much good to go there. So yeah, bodywork wise, it's good. Everything fits. Everything's back together. So yeah, in the next video, you're probably gonna see me start wrapping the car. Bodywork wise, we're done. So thank you for watching. Catch you later. And be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com if you need anything, fittings, hoses, all kinds of cool stuff. Catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.